There are a lot of big name Dow components and S&P 500 companies reporting this week, but which ones have the best charts? I went through them all so you don't have to, and I pulled out the ones with the best earnings beat records. Doesn't always mean the shares are at all-time highs though, and you'll see what I mean in a moment. But let's get right to it. First company is one of those that has a good track record, but the shares aren't all that great. This is IBM. It has the two misses, but only, going back a couple years here. So they have put together a nice earnings track record, but investors are a little bit disillusioned, you might say. Even Warren Buffett sold most of his stake in IBM now. So this is just one that is one of the bellwethers that will move the Dow, but everybody's going to be keeping an eye to see if those revenues can bounce back. And then we're going to have one on the medical side that people like a lot. This is Abbott Labs. Now don't be scared about that big drop that you can see there. Very far left side of the chart in 2012 into 2013. That was the spin-off of AbbVie, and as you can see, it's almost been 5 years now, so it's about to be off this chart. But if you take that away, shares have broken out to what is almost a 5-year high here. For a while there, they were just lagging, even with all these earnings beats, but now Abbott Labs might be in favor again. This is definitely one to watch. And we're going to get another one that also had the spinoff. So you see that big drop off there? That was the spinoff of PayPal on eBay. PayPal will report later this week. Their chart also looks good, but they have a great track record here, no misses, and the shares are on the move as well for eBay. And this is definitely one that kind of gets overlooked on the tech side. Maybe it shouldn't. We're going to see this quarter. Then we're going to get one of the airlines. The airlines have been reporting real good numbers. We only have that one miss since 2014, pretty early in 2016. United Airlines, a lot of it with the airlines has to do with capacity though, and what they're able to do with pricing there, not so much with the earnings part of it, but a lot of people watching this on the transport side. And then we're going to have a rental company that does rental equipment. This is the largest rental equipment supplier in the United States and Canada. And United Rentals, URI, I own this in my own personal portfolio. It's been kind of a wild ride. Their last miss was there right at the bottom there in early 2016. And a lot of the weakness on the shares have been because they have some energy business with the drilling side of the energy side. It's only 5 or 6% of their revenue, but it spooked people out going into 2016. But as you can see, especially with the hurricanes, there's going to be a lot of rebuilding, and they do these big rebuilding projects, hospitals, hotels, that kind of thing. And you can see people are getting real bullish here. Is it too much? I don't know. We're going to find out this week. There's a big mix of companies reporting this week, like I said, and a lot of big names, especially the big caps. If you're looking for bellwethers about certain industries or sectors, this is a week you really want to be paying attention to some of these ones that are reporting first in the earnings cycle. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And you can also be sure to play the options trade over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube, because Dave Bartosiak has that covered over there, and it's free. So be sure to check out the options trades, and I'll be bringing you the earnings charts all week long.